Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Mohammad Talhabert from University's Page Visa Consultant. Hope you are all doing great. Welcome back to another video. Students, have you ever thought about studying in Hungary? Today we will explore the different scholarship opportunities in Hungary for international students. We will delve into the Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship, a fully funded scholarship program by the Hungarian government. We will also uncover the offerings of the University of Debrecen, Central European University and the University of Pécs. Not to forget the prestigious Erasmus Mundus Scholarship and the FAO Hungarian Government Scholarship Program. Stay tuned to know more about these amazing scholarship opportunities. So let's get started. First on our list is the Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship, a fully funded scholarship program offered by the Hungarian government. In Pakistan, this scholarship is also offered by the HEC. In this scholarship, bachelor's and master's students can get monthly stipend range from 40,000 Hungarian forint to 50,000 Hungarian forint per month. On the other hand, the doctoral student can get monthly stipend range from 1,40,000 Hungarian forint to 1,80,000 Hungarian forint per month. Whether it's a bachelor's, master's, doctoral or part-time degree program, this scholarship is a golden opportunity for those seeking to pursue their academic dreams. Hungary is home to many renowned universities offering scholarships to international students. The University of Debrecen Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship is one such opportunity, attracting over 2,000 students from more than 60 countries annually. This scholarship covers a wide range of programs including Bachelors of Science, Masters of Science and PhD programs. Next up is the CEU University Hungary Scholarship. Central European University takes pride in supporting international students seeking academic excellence in social sciences, humanities, business and law through master's and doctoral scholarship. This is a merit-based award which may fund up to 50% of your tuition fees. In this scholarship, master's students can get monthly stipend range from 300 euro to 1000 euro per month and doctoral students can get monthly stipend range from 1600 euro to 1800 euro per month for their housing and living cost. Lastly, let's not forget the University of Pécs Scholarship. As Hungary's largest university with approximately 22,000 students, the University of Pécs offer fully funded scholarship for bachelor's, master's and PhD programs. These universities offers a diverse range of programs, ensuring there's something for everyone. There are other prestigious scholarships are available as well. The Erasmus Mundus Scholarship, a fully funded program by the European Commission, allows students to study at 3 different universities in 3 different countries including Hungary. Then there's the FAO Hungarian Government Scholarship Program, which is designed specifically for students from developing countries, offering opportunities in various study fields. These scholarships provides a valuable chance for students to study at multiple European universities including Hungary. Hungary boasts a rich academic traditions and offers a multitude of scholarships for international students. From the fully funded Stipendium Hungaricum and University of Debrecen program to the prestigious CEU University and University of Pécs scholarship, opportunities are vast. You can apply online for all these scholarships and the requirements are very minimal. Your minimum age is 18 years old. There's no requirement of IELTS and TOEFL. IELTS is mandatory, but in some courses IELTS may be required. You can apply for these scholarships after 12, 16 and 18 years of your education. With these scholarships, your dream of studying in Hungary can indeed become a reality. For scholarship opportunities in other countries, check out our official YouTube channel. I hope you like this video. Drop your comments and queries. Subscribe, like and comment to join our community and stay updated. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.